Hey everyone, did you know that in Cebu, people use their lips like a GPS? It's true. Let me And Canadians give directions like they're reading from a map. If you ask where the bathroom is, they'll say something like, turn left on Main Street, go 200 meters, then turn right at the second traffic light. It's like, I just need to pee, not find buried treasure. But if you ask someone in Cebu for directions, they'll say, oh, it's near Manang Nena's store. Who is Manang Nena, right? Is she like the queen of Cebu? Everything is near her store. And if you don't know who Manang Nena is, they look at you like you're from another planet. They'll say, you don't know Manang Nena? You should live here? But the funniest part is, Cebuanos, they use their lips. Me, where's City Hall? Cebuano, what? Did you just send me a secret message with your lips? Sometimes it's a whole performance. They'll go this way, but turn here, okay? It's like, dude, are you giving me directions or trying to kiss me? In Canada, if you do that with your lips, people will think you're weird. Imagine doing this and someone goes, I have a boyfriend. Next time I go to Cebu, I'm bringing a Canadian friend just to see their reaction. Canadian? How do we get to Cologne Street? Cebuano Canadian? Did he just tell me where to go with his face? And that's why GPS... It would just say, in 500 meters, ask Manang Nena.